Welcome back,
ladies and gentlemen.
We Talk Podcast.
Welcome back. We back.
Welcome
back, Rabuya.
Zote mi change my bed, mi nyamone marema.
Welcome back, Nema. You know how we deal with this boy, man.
Rako vanyurudza midini na midhanani ndichigodini riko change azosa change uri komba zvine varisongwambiwa
namusi producer yashiyovuya
ovuya arale wako mubona hafa aronanga ma gumgedlela
ya aroza producer namusi
namusi ndiri otoambara
damushimoni yeah man I think about to enjoy a 0 day, man. 0 day, but to enjoy.
Guys, holidays only for an
and
I think this is the last one. Yes, wrong.
Yeah, this month, yes.
Until 16 June.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Remember, 2 months you who's na holiday.
And I bet in our Saturday, already.
Yeah.
Saturday. Oh, Saturday, I pay.
June 16 in the Lavona.
Hey man, how you guys doing, man? How you guys doing? We are back. You know what you need to do? You can subscribe, na like, na follow, richita zote ka Facebook, ndi Nema wa mahunguni, ndi main gay ka Facebook, given mama's boy and then a producer uone ka Facebook.
Yeah man.
Naka Twitter, naka TikTok uone.
Unaweza TikTok.
Uzira kwemba ka TikTok
uzira kwemba
obviously no rimbo ra surprise mro bana obviously rimbo mro ra surprise
ka YouTube
bada
ndarenga phone mtswati
diabuya mara bana niki dafa no da sharp musa awuna zi camera zoni bayisa
una mama magura rako gwajesiwa hala ndo ri mabone ngamura bari na ri bari
swili ya munna yaitani
ni kuidani be
ai ro bichimbirela una vadira rako no bi rako rira phanda sho dinula suzuma khonwa zo bo vala ndila ka freeway rake ra change line ri changange
no wrong in 12
yeah changange
ka fast lane ri
ra gra fast lane ko chimna nga speed cha fast lane phanda una dzigoloyo dzora hala vathu vako dako lori yani ningange una traka
voni basa yangange vakono vaiteka
ke mbudziso ngori ndiri ka freeway
ezila line ndingana vashike ngopira ka yasho
and apla plone that's yeah
ndinna
just come na line apla bit
vari
vachisuka tsini betsa
afira honeti
vathu vatave
vafungudza varisenza
ndo chitoko
vachikori boy
ndo chitoko
rari avanoni vana mafungo azari ko romini pala mapala no pale lapho arona givini chacho kusora
mokweto akale
pala mapala no pale la chimwe charusa ngamuya rumo
mara sumazoviona angogidima ka fast lane na kushimbira sina
emuna 110 120
ngorna
so rari kugidima speed cha South Africa
napira 120
no ngambezo hobo usina plan yori ndofirela phanda
unagorowe
and no change line was impossible gozo no rata ngati ziko valfuni khobona but yo dala ona space and ngapha ndi truck urona bathu bane tongarezi bakuchimira badani basa ko filori mungwe na mungwe yo bashaba kana arali vodolo uri hayani angeni basema vana vavo ndzi bossa vana vavo
muthu ane ntomuvera bada
kana bula basadzi
akuita bada akonyingwa mabona ndi is either ndi polisa traffic kana ambulance
mara huna space cho
una space cho vu
nozori nikozo
nikatraka
niko na traka abathu baloni bako
nchimbira ka pavement
ngoribulaye
abegore ya dora maintain man
na bathu bapfesesi yabo
bewe rafa ndobona bonyika YouTube
dora
ababuko aufizwi do apa Johannesburg auna camera ndine ko shuma
mona baba singoro uza kale
bezuna ngwayo
hapere chain given uchimbira
ndiko soko punguza ndiko
mama's boy uchimbira 40 awashaba camera masina una
una kamera ino kushuma
hey unaenda kamera ya fala una kamera ndoni hambula ngiona fala vari kwa mama kwala mampuru mini mpila pitori ngochina pitori kwatu papuru
asolo gate mampuru
kwala mampuru
mapuru ne pala
aiko shuma na yone
mara kone udoni nga udani niko gidi maru ngati iwane ma traffic odimila ne le pala la ne na rubuna ne fala
mara tonga hayo zino oita ntuli ila kamera la bantu
abangori ni
tonga
line
dia shumedza
abangori ni line uto wari ni to velera ila kamera ndo ibona pedzi ti ana mapuru ti na traffic odimila le odilera magwinya ti
wona ni punguza
ndabadani dzitoma dzikoshuma
ila ntonga dziko shume dzila tonga dzila ni azishumisi soft 20 ngoma fango chabe ofi company ya vai comment ni la stokana iko rana ila camera contractor yo
fela basiri
yo fela nga May last year yo fela nga May last year
ngoba ndiko gidima 68 ndiko
avarijira
contractor ijipera hala vana varari twana suzo asho ubva chachecho atwanwa company na idzo zaita mini
installa dzikamera
why basari ne read check care
government issue what is happening with our government
no why basari ne na ini read document
ngaitwa mfungwa serious ara na ya petro ngavo Midrand vo Renberg vo Centurion ngangene niko raid ara ngonwa bia ne nisoma mapolisi onombaphamba hamba bafonela abantu bange kamisi una mtu noko raid nangathungo nene wafonela ari na mtu noko raid akonwa bia fana nokorita uyingo panga fike combo mini zone zwa sharp
mara zvino bora ni zvari
zone zwa sharp
ona ngodinona coke ana
coke mara utofo
ba phone vadza vako niimisa
ikoku ndi coke bada ona ikoku azonika
mara vakompezera chipinga ti
ngomini asipedza chipinga vakita mulayo wavo ti vofo chifuna mtu nokonwa mini
aizo sokufonela foneliwa na bela chimwarala mtu akamza songofona ndadwa ndizongotanga nezvo mara nene munhu tuchera dera tuchera ndadadzirenga
mara you can't just go to
ana zvinojera mini futi nandojera renga lofo mbili na beans
nandorumiwa
ndewana ga pizza nga wani
the pizza
awo the cravings
ndewana ga pizza nga wani madaucha
akufita the cravings
ngobva dzi awadi ngobvo
akufita the cravings
womunhu anenge mudzima zvinhu zvose norenga pizza singomudzimba piece nti
afuna pizza
ndingasiya ndani
nai ngombwana ngola pizza gai nai
pizza
notombudza nari naziva pizza mugana wapera
zvinokamba ngasiwani arenge pizza
uliwa mini zibega
liwa kota
zviyakota
omunhu anga konochimula 30k sakutoda kota
zvibva kuri kuti yamini
zvakutevera machips
machips ndiyadzitera zvibva kuri kuti yamini wongwana zvazvino zvino ari kotiuya ndala achina chinhu chinda kuchitoda mamuna ndikufanga ndonza chimwe nachimwe wongwana
andula khanga
khanga garaguni kana risilila
garaguni na khanga hey ndole garaguni nikomba ndiliteki ndole wana teki kuita ntu vale kuda 5 clip antu
garaguni teki ma
nditeki garaguni
ndangisa khanga lezo no rasa rumwe
una ostrich abana nantu
ostrich yamina njemira
bani kazo
yaliwe lo yone
yaliwo
ndebena kwa chizwa chaone
na ora zalo tika kamini garufo
ndidlara mutawote
Mr. Venrap ya federa katizo
ndocho ndaona le garaguni lichikuda 5 clip
guy
DDR
Teki.
Yona 500.
Teki yona na
na sekho ndikhombe ikudzichira ni. Na sekho linonila le hansi. Havana le lingwela la German khahlela madini eliya. Hala wala ma 499. Sekho. Mara wona ma sekho different fula fethu.
Abena sekho
file badi
ma sekho. File different ma sekho.
Ari liere DDR manga weekend.
Ini ngadiri kolodo ina. Koloda mbudzi yafela.
Full iko chira uri
via ne fara na ba
kama mbudzi nichi via given ndisa ndisa
ya varamuno
nuko vera ni muromo asingurube
ngube ya varamuno
ngube ne varamuno rezo ngota sa posho do dava neighbor
ai ina tse dati
mara mbudzi nya difara ganzi lori angobenga posho
mara ngube ibora ri namzi na idzomba munhu kwaone nikoibika apa totoda vane
munhuko
mara zori ngurube yotanya nezdiva
ngurube etakusa ngurube etakusa muthu odzura Pitori asoko ni humbura nethava mbodi ni humbura swika
Aina ndengwe nguluve.
Ndizingamba zongotava nguluve.
Ndizongozvandona kuti va7 vodoni vona. Zvori vomudzvanga nyurini. Zvino tikadomba dzina. Zvivona vachimbodzijiya. Vamwara kabhodo kabogisa fula vamwara sunanga Eliani. La men gel lo suba fula ntwa skateboard. Pasu watatserenga bogisa dzura fula nta.
Anacho.
Hanacho dzura nta. Fula tachivanga. Udzura kachivanga tsanga bogisa.
Wenga bed ya plastic.
Zvino avachimwara geteni vari. Ari horo ya resort.
Wow.
Nangwe vari vonai. Asizvavo. Azvivafambi. Zvamuri vona murasa geti. Najela nodhara vazi namai.
Andingaiwini.
Andingaiwini.
Ndaro kuna marambo ene rakopfera pasi.
Wana mtu akopfara mbola nguruveni. Unless yamke guru kana
Ina
mukara.
nguruve.
Ina marambo ndo marambo na soft.
Oh, lele ne.
Shio.
Ya dapa ningala naona sina royalties.
Oh, yamira. Nono mena wana mtu akosaba ngamikuro na wanaona marambo pasini.
Kana makwanda.
Oi, makwanda tini ne aldana.
Ile lo fara. Mara ana ni akaminwe ningasi ara.
Nini?
Kwanda
papanya.
Lamkokoroshi
Lamkokoroshi. Niri ngoli peta shoti. Nifile chiri ngoni boyo.
Ala linga kokora kamushonga.
Nifile ndino lifara ila mudisuba la fale tori.
Dali akonda, dia
konda. Afamona mwana chimbodiri baba. Lova thava.
Dia konda.
Ndo mena pa chitori cha baba. Ufera ni chizofi baba. Nduniti. Una phambano ya daddy na baba. Na bizofi daddy. Ningoda fanelo zote za mudini ni wa mungu. Na bizofi baba. Ni baba ngori nombeba.
Nyabona chimwe chipinga batu vachidhama. Vachidhama tarampa pawe ti.
Ona tarambomo.
Eva problem. Sifane zofera ni konasa. Zingofane zofera ni konasa mshonga ya kliniki ya mkushwani. Ni apedza ni chinini nichova addicted nini yakangwa ngayo. Na kusokwamba susatangani.
Mara ekeli ba. Daddy ndakomla 5 rand. Ne mupo we.
Erani ngubudisa. Erani ngubudisa. Arani mwana wano acha crash.
Baba komla
mwana wano hai crash. Si. Ai ma. Kadu tota mbona vangwange. Yo, Mararembo, ana different maban. Go research. So that's something. No one thing I know. Nema busy dead.
Uri baba.
Uri Nema kana baba.
Okay.
That's it. And ndine ndamugudisa.
Amazoziva ko ri mwana ngungudisa mina.
Yeah, ndamugudisa zwezori. Because ya ndifi baba. And I was a funu mbizori baba, achimbizori Nema. Nanda chimbizori Nema. Nanchifana chiri Nema, Nema. Then that okay, baba. Adolo mbizori baba kana faru ko Nema.
Ndikombera cherede.
Baba.
Baba. Yeah. Ndikombera cherede.
Baba. Kombera kadi yanga ya SASSA.
Leo SASSA.
Baba.
Oh,
itukomba Nema. Nema le holi. Ndikombori. Aba bana unuti ari nkombori bana baba wabijo. Baba fanero. Jamani yale matime unotona na SASSA ya ngwana biani. So la batavela daluzo. Baba. Ndikombera SASSA ya.
Mwana dedi.
Yesu mwana akisuka chiri. Baba. Ndikombera SASSA ya ngala. Tantambela kurangi chikuchara. Ah. Mara tinabone ba hola 350.
Lo basa la risite. Le film.
Ngono baba mazori ndiene ola wori. Kedi yanga ya SASSA irenga itamba magarata mimi ngono wa baba.
Ngono wa daddy chede SASSA hivi.
Ngono daddy uzofika ita zvikoloni ari A B C D E F G ngono wa baba
kana nando hangori bomfunza mini.
Hey man, you know what you do, man. Please subscribe, man.
Subscribe, guys. We still here.
Subscribe.
Street Talk Podcast.
We
do kan mwana wa mangoni.
We get down
Nina
to the
men
streets.
Gail. So ngwamori mwana wa Andile mpisane o wa Cassper. Aswa baba ndo dedi.
Mwana wani.
Kucho. Tufi angaba awa Cassper, angaba awa
Mara ifani nazo mini ndela wapungara kwamba nzori umara iti gele kana umara mfumakazi ane nene uka spotlight ne alinga simukhiphe
no unava zina varaka spotlight vane vavo
ndinyi dombuza muti
unava zina vana vangana ka spotlight mara va grounded ane vana vangana ko actor kamskadzi minti mara husi haula dzi it girl and the one all
ha iri kwamba ngavazana vane
kadzi it
vadzi model va trenda kadzi va foda vombra dzi bikini kadzi
no ane ari sonula wa Cassper oduma nga ntena Instagram ti
yeah
hangoto bori
vanofia unazakanya
yeah unazaka mara hangoto bori mutu that worked hard for entertainment spotlight na mini lot of things get funded
vo mihlali vazana va lavene ningasive na
Cassper ngari kana wa Cassper ngana vo fiko findi mihlali va swapa na Andile
mihlali yo befana na Andile
man ngari Cassper ojia hoyu andakai wa Cassper yaka Andile ndi zwine zwa kuambiwa ti atiko ri ndine ra diva zwona so hati vo to swapa so ngari it's either Cassper na hola va chi swapa vo swapa itla chino rundela ara chiswanga ngeno Cassper kha dadzisa kana
kombra 18 ka khona
kana utovori
ndabona ingwathi yeno poster bali ka Twitter pala ifini Musa Khawula ikwamba uri yo poster yari musadzi wa Cassper obonala Cape Town ana Andile Mpisani ane ndiyene khotsi wa vukuma wa n'wana wa Cassper ndari
una DNA test because it you
udodziita Cassper
naziya dina wala n'wana khaluwe ari 2 years ndombona zo ndi mupfupi kana ndi mulapfu
varingano vatwa
mara ti Cassper chichabi ula uslenda
ukhwata be azomini ndakwamba zona ukhwata
andile ko jimesa
ifani ukhwata ana mntu nofio bebo khwata mama na mntu bebo
mara khamburi mara arali awa Cassper ndombona ngavura mara ku round face ndo kubona uri wendi wa Cassper
mara kwamba ana mntu nefo una rambo lokhwatawo azuyuzu
mara
rambo ndi rambo
mara
nditodla ri ngotodla ngona
mara khamburi mina awa no dzizibona zori awu una moment
ngona
arali awa Cassper ndo awu na Cassper
zvino ara chifana miyawe ara chifana miyawe
ara wa musizana
wadibona ndebe yakutsi yawo
ndebe ngai ni konifanyisa ndebe
so kwa Cassper kabisa ogabisa jasi afa kana
no ndiko logabisiwa Cassper apapo mapungu sensitive bad ngongwana ndikwambore ningasiyaruse ngwana mimwa minji afirst one ngongwana ende khosi ari kumutoda
yemuna asika movie
abije de muima mona chede buima
asika movie una tofi apa mtu bonkhalusa ndi khotsi yanga ndi shangoni apa
asi movie ni apa khosi ari kumutoda adodona rimi
mara Andile chifertile mfana unochafuka unechisiya mwana
ndakuna kuimba unopakala dzero chunika kagqomo
charepa chaimba tosainiwa nanga company
unosainiwa aba America yake Andile Andile mara sima zaba pungo Cassper mara wasa kuyamba
mara nemuzani mini Andile lamdukana ane hakoni utamba bhola hakoni time lana rari vatukuru kutamba bhola ngene rina bhola ya achijia bhola to wana ya
adribuli okujia bhola ndiwo mamas boy adribuli okujia
bhola
that's why chivima mamas boy
ndela matanga akidabudabi ne kuguma swigiri sibedzo rasho wanwati yela imikisa nantu na mafi
ndawona na fenyi Uncle-waffles mama
vatu vakumudreda vari asimuzana
mara voice yawo ya musidzana
mara nazvo nepezvo zvakusimudzori ndi musidzana zvinozokodipostiwa
kana kamsingori
mwabonali
masi mahulu vakodziongari kamsi ndianoni ano maduva
Uncle-waffles
vakororo diva
vakodziona
ndikana yanga naye Nema
ningovona afala venda sani una vatu vanojaiva afala nina tozivona zori ndi gele
umtukana
nitori
mara voice yachinchiwa
nitori dhani nafachiri nyeza holy shit
ngongwana voice yachinjiwa Uncle-waffles akuhamba ndi upatowa musidzana mama
ndebala nama kangi mele nepo ndikouda
yapfala mara Uncle-waffles utopfala zori
roamba
ndi musidzana mara kambe naridive mara kotoamba uri
ngasidive
there is no
munhu abe atingolipfeselela fungo so ndindoona uri kam vatu vakosokwamba zvine vakwamba arina vutanzi nepo mara ngori ndikwamba ngori
okakange yaposta chinepe ana dzivime LGBTQ+ community obana
ari ngori siria arori LGBT
obana
ari ngori siria
mara siria
yeno
bafilista track wa Philista.
Serious kudina
Hey!
Mara, one thing I picked up, ne? I think possibility in theory, I know what I say, it might not be true, but it might happen. There's a possibility theory Makazi is gonna work with her, ne? One, marketing products out. That girl, that marketing, she's active on social media a lot than Makazi. Come on.
Yeah.
Makazi might gain a lot. Gola wana arara kum market la zuzawe.
Mara tazo ndiori Makazi product ya way na Syria kuna product unafana.
Hai, product ya Syria sio tukisa.
Nano ya Makazi ndini
za Makazi ufi noteka kres skin sio tukisa.
Ndio tena.
Alisha ningo hapa mimi.
Mara product ni
Ana nini bada koko bonibona.
Uyibona.
Na bada.
Mavoda SA by Makazi. Iko donchiwa ntu nenge.
Ke plan ke.
Bege dao.
Ne.
Tama ni moloko ndi guy somewhere.
Yeah.
Iko donchiwa.
Mara, there is one thing. Nende ko mlori ndi renga. Mama's dora. Toma. Ai, wonani. Tini ni behind the camera. Wani. Toto zene. Riwonori.
Toto ya shumani.
Kufara skin chawe.
Ya shumani.
Mara ndiko chimbira badani. Abeti ko bono ati ndi behind the camera yes.
Badori ni yellow bone. Divino kotamba.
Ndaba yellow bone
Kutamba.
kopeni na
Ndo hote ndo hote.
Ni wari nibuza anga tumwa kopeni. Ntumenga mlenje. Ita nchamba skin na.
Uzambara langa.
Toro kutamba skin na vesa.
Zambo runango podcast ra kudo issue mapa noni. Ferera bambono ndi yellow bone mili.
Mara, I think it's a nice thing, man. Yeah.
I'm liking
Makazi,
the fact that
go push
it's 100%. Remember what I've been always fighting for the past 2-3 years?
Yeah.
Uri ndiko dori I invest into business and stuff. And then now ndiko bona zuzunza kuiteya. What I'm loving about this, Urukoi own 100%. She's not owning it with the record label. Because now I'm against record label.
Did she generate
everything? Because the moment you separate nabo, you end up losing. They end up sabotaging your stuff, your work, your businesses.
Yeah, but younger something.
Come on. Because I was looking at this guy and okay, I'm not gonna get a lot into it. Some people say kusumesa oranga gola sina license ya vori register nga mazina company ba msabotage ori lela kwere akubhadela ite mini songo peso badela ridita so but if your mazina ni away achinge badela ipedze basingomba chito.
Yeah.
So to avoid being controlled and owned, ka investor a own product ni munde kana a own na bathu banda than owning it na record label.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna say it now.
Makazi, I
I'm
think
gonna
she's
say it
doing,
again,
she's doing big,
and
man.
I'm gonna say it forever. Record label, the master in slave. If you're no longer bringing money, or you're bringing money and you want to get the hell out of the record label, I'll give you a simple example. Master KG has dope songs that are out, but they're not getting that impact they're supposed to get.
Movies are hitting Jerusalem.
The other one is just an average good song. But if you were still under the record label, that song was going to be a hit.
Yes.
Because
they push.
They were going to make sure
they force it into your ears.
Thank you. Come on.
Yeah.
So now, we are learning, man.
They force it into your ears.
We are fosterizing it. Yeah. So I'm big up to Makazi. And then I like the fact that when Syria was performing,
guy,
Itori,
propaganda. I think propaganda. Okay. What best there?
Yeah, goosebumps. And they're killer.
Okay.
And they're killer goosebumps. And they're killer.
I said goosebumps.
Yeah, goosebumps on Sunday.
I said goosebumps. Ask show goosebumps.
Oh, kaya killer. Big up to Killer. We see your work, man. Prime Entertainment. Big up for your great work. Yeah. Mara, one thing, Diori. Make sure, I don't know what a record label have a controlling rights.
Most of them don't give you.
Yeah, no, come on, a product you have maybe decide to couple this the red gang.
Yeah.
Make sure in for controlling rights.
Yeah.
Or controlling shares. Uri. Nams baroko ni dampa, ba sabotage. If you have the controlling power, you can still take it somewhere. Than one
uri ndi zwine
vani hold it back.
zwe AK yava kuita zwone nga show nga Bry show achiri una dzi
I
rights
think
na
that
mina,
was
mina.
yeah, that was the agreement, verbal agreement and what. Even though now I come with about like 500,000 for
the lawyer na mina.
lawyer fees and what. Which means lawyer fees or legal
fees.
Lawyer fees.
Legal fees.
Lawyer fees, yeah. Mara, yeah, that's why I come with your badera. Because of the Bry ya Cassper, Cassper. So there's a drama around it. Man, this is Mara, again, big up to Makadzi Gena.
Yeah, Makadzi, I think we all know Rumuzika, you can do music up to a certain stage.
Yeah.
After that, you need to focus on something else.
And I'm looking at, I don't know if I'm not gonna say this, but I think what I'm saying and what I've been saying, she's about to take that direction. She's about to start putting on other artists.
Yeah.
She can still do it now.
No, Mara, yeah. I think I think then over in the Aveka a certain stage.
Abe comfortable.
Acha
or maybe record label yeah.
Mara ukazibaka open mic, ne?
Yeah. Mara the set part in Nambai Sandy and Tuman. Tukzin.
Hey, Tukzin.
That boy is talented, Mara.
Talking about Tukzin.
Remember but that guy have done a lot of great music. Hey, was beyond the song, that song. But the one thing those guys are not marketing him enough.
Yeah.
Mara it's one typically what do.
Yeah.
Something we have been saying a long time ago. Ni producer, can beat maker, can mini. You can still do hooks on the beats na uploader. What was downloaded, in what you do,
you can license them under your
the license you 50%. Jambo whoever anakodoro upload at a verse,
you get
50%. What you do to judge it down to, you take 50%.
Yeah.
Yeah,
you get whatever. Yeah.
Thank you.
You get that 50%. Whatever money that track makes.
You get the publishing, you control the publishing role.
You can even do that, Mama's boy. You can even upload songs on YouTube.
Make a link page.
And you listen that song under you.
But don't download that thing.
Or 30% depending on what you want to do. That's what you can do.
It's something I'm thinking I need to do now.
Hey, so yeah, that's what
I said it's something I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna sing. I pay you to sing my hook.
Yeah. And that's what
and then I upload.
Yeah, that's what.
And then
DJ Khaled do that. DJ Khaled
is doing that.
He get artists, buy imba. He buy them off or he offers them whatever percentage they want on the song. Then he releases an album. He makes a lot of money.
Yeah. Session fee. Our session fee is 1,000 rand. About 1,000 rand are 30 million. As for doing that, hang on credit for pay too.
Obaderio. Oh, I got a KFC. But I got a KFC. So yeah, even Arpushane, Venda Arpushane, Namero podcast. Arakwana, this is the biggest podcast of Venda.
Right now.
Yeah. There are other guys who are doing podcasts. We're not going to meet and chill, the meet and greet, blah blah, and all those stuff. We see you guys keep doing that, man. Keep doing that.
Bring that.
We need more content here.
Because we can't do the same stuff.
Yeah.
Interview artist.
Not interview artist.
Are interview artist. Rito platform ramba binafuna. Auna formal stuff pano.
Give it artist platform.
Formal
nah.
We
don't do formal things.
And big up to Warenyi. Meet and greet.
Yeah.
Mara, hey, Abri. I can't pronounce that guy's name.
Obreaction.
Yeah.
Nicho tambozonda muyani. Uko salute.
Nani ngora ka dango ngora ka ole yawe.
Shout out to
ngora ka ole. Ini chana mapungo tamba muyani ka camera.
Mbona ko tamba
muyani. Uba ko shona the artist.
Rido tangana muyani. Rido tangana muyani.
Arale bia chisa hereni.
Ndi chipinyi. Ikoya he. Razike ina racha kindi na ramzi. Rido tangana muyani.
Hai. Unaro tangana muyani ya mazwale. Abantu arale bia chisa mtu hereni ya mazwale. Abana enoni ori tangana muyani zino enoni which mina lyrics are all, let me be honest. Racha. ya henoni ya Razy K.
Yeah.
Racha Kill as always. The guy have come a long way, man.
Oh,
That guy make sense to a point. He makes more sense. Mara, there's something is I feel like it does not really tell Uri.
Arari name ako question ayo tutangana muyani. Why and we question? Yamazware.
Ha yamazware tutangana muyani kwamba tutangana mjoloni kwa phone lana.
No ukwamba unganapo muyani na kwamba one. Oh,
that is
why and we question?
There's couple of stuff netting was first ngela.
Bisingo ilinza but bye check.
Abe check ani yo target. Unazunguzuna ndari
video mane mzubidi.
Yeah, ele ngati kwa yaru aranu jina ni bogisi. Bako ngojina bogisi no bogisi.
Ka video.
Behind the scene. Ngojina bogisi. Hata tumajana bogisi. No, ndikwamba so ngori. I was trying to link up maybe because we don't listen as just fan. We look at a lot of things.
Yeah.
So I was looking for something zukotori. Zukwamba ngarufu more and all that. But I felt like something was missing. It didn't really pull me in. That song didn't really give me that thing. Mara when Racha came in, nigga, respect. The coffee. Racha killed you, man. Big up to Racha Kill. Yeah. Prefer no visa lovola.
Okay, talking about SASSA na mina. SASSA ya relief grant henoni ya 350. Omwezi wa
gabanga chai.
Vari hai.
Ahuna pain.
The one ngwanulule.
The one next month.
The one next month you double. How much do you want? 750.
700.
Oh, 700 man. Hey. That's why what vet why.
Because if for was la kona nani. Mara zvino.
Metwa vet ukondini.
Osala kona na changovera.
So if already know the SASSA this month you won't get it. Register ani futhi ngahuswa ngame in they wanna it double. The one 350 plus 350 yeah 700 yeah
are we vangana na watu wa SASSA next month renga vuwa
renga wana henesi wana nyana ku henesi kana ku henesi
watu baba komani
wana ku henesi so yeah ara ningo zwifania nepo SASSA
make sure
ni dobeni eka website ya SASSA ya government
and then we when na go register ni make sure ngori ko do venda bulu ndo wona zikhomba zikubuya tsini na veiwe zikupusha
zikhomba ziwanina dzo
zikupusha abangana mara khomba dzidza zori ne ava ro right dzaya dzidora zikupusha abangana veve kule uri hude dzone hezwi ni to fedzora ku 700 udza dzo iya
nesongo jena ngadeni
songo jena hey adziyabuya
ufuku iti ninga BlackMotion
Nurika group hii ni vaimbi. Hata biaro thoma fedzi mutione amara. Ubana ma problem la.
Mara takusmone no mara kare musi.
Omara ngachunga.
Hango mara. Unakwenda zodlapo zodwa.
No, mara una different muchipinga ni yako no mara. Uneva neva amara unori una problem.
Yeah.
Mara bunji ava tu vaimbi. Kana uraka entertainment. Mutione abia amara wana nkomara mutu ano utoda bango batu bachimara mutoda mutu mutoda wa manager wami.
Yeah.
No, let me manage, I'll manage you. Ajipinga
Ndazwa one
girlfriend. Hati bi manager na swigiri chiko shura teni.
Ushira swigiri nna.
Ushira nna kapu kungafa.
Kapu kutukutu.
Marvo dambori kudeni manager. Mara amba hezo nasiza bambi banji venda rono dizibona kazi group za kerekeni, group za zikwayara. Group ni za gospel.
Bazara kerekeni.
Uri kerekeni
uri bazara.
Ara ndi muimbi kerekeni ndika worship team. Ndabi andamara.
Wo given.
Ndika worship team.
Knows for me. Una kereke, una gereke.
Okay.
So no for ujira gereke.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Bara check
Black emotion yo tukuka. Bintani ha DJ zinhle.
Dizinhlena mara.
Mara I think no, what to rebrand. They've done that.
Spirit motion.
It's not the first time they performed separately.
Yeah.
Utobori zwazvino ishi kobesa more ngori that bongs ubotwesa na zinhle.
So not there mara.
The bangwe bari ndi into bag boy. Ndina nofara bag ya zinhle. Utokoteverera. So hana like that's what you could blame zinhle. But it's not zinhle. This is what happens majita chona the new relationships. But neona mraji utamba bora rothe next thing with the practice will be ngabeg. Neona rar busy ko record wimbo.
No performance of
Munachi voda uri wimbo no archinche dzina apari pange dzina la so. Uri wimbo na 3 weeks. Una wimbo record 3 weeks. Mdenga pillow talk. Ngobona. So jaite venda guy rinozvona group nji dzavaimbi dzikereke. Wana mafungo manji.
So smart nemani kwambori beside uribone bobisa statement chori abakhulwa. Una something chinokuiteya baba.
Basa khulwa utobori ahuchena working relationship. Let's look at DJ Kofi na Mari nyono. Obviously olimbo zino Osama. 6.2. Ala watu bashap majita. Mara they can work together.
Yeah.
Come on.
Because ningo.
So there's a lot of things that happens. Reasala ritwari majita rikuita zvitu na mini. Mara vamwe vashu ndi mafungo azipilo talk. Ndi mapingo riningo jola na nyini mara nyini kotwa na nyini dzura na nyini. Unena vaone ngori vatu nyava di vatu. Wani vudzo rabe inisedzani. Niko perform na holani. Ni wana 50. Na bukwa note. Ni wana 80.
Ni wana 80.
That's the 50-80. And when I take her 80, ninga chomela can't. And it's much finger na flow ya fera mani. Greasy ya fera. I'm saying this ninga says la kambela group la ni chimba. Vari minino yimba irana mkana wa mkuola wakati. Ya fauli ram wala chipurumpita.
Mikasa.
Yes. Unachipinga cha they drifted apart.
Yeah.
And there was the time they got back, baba close.
And none bachiwi awachabi bana manda.
Bana manda to worry abachina that flavor. Ngori boluza touch ya kare.
Touch ya kare. Na liquid deep
liquid deep ndi kare yo tuwa. Voto wachira bako ulwa he mini. Let's be honest guys. Arkadiba bana. Ngubana bathu bane nabangana. Ngibona. Because oral abongsi akotuna zinhle. Unabona bangana baswa bane bakho ba involved.
Yeah.
Ngibona. Bakho ba involved. We know bathu bathu bakalawa. Mara zvino zinhle na group rwawe. Akadho muvudza uri handikombona ndi zinhle. Ndi rider solo. Tina mungana tina mini. Ndi dia zvanga i. Baby, ringisa watch apa pitu. Ravi dzanga dzina la mwana wanu.
Kana raita perfume.
Ngara perfume ngara na masogisi. Nga men gaily. Na ndo ambadzwa mivara nga men gaily.
Alamzini chikotani. Ongwena. So yeah, I think
watu tichi kotani ndo rikiswa men gaily wana.
Dombura arari hava na duo kana group ya Rukidi na Guspa. Ingaba hani.
Niyabona Guspa lofara.
Ingaba hani.
Man mza something. Guspa ko jena nga huku ti. Adiela huku elani ini abana yo oko dina nga chorus. Achiri chorus ti apanga huku. Ti achitori huku into ngari yava iko switch ngari ko ka rap ti itesa chikubuya Rukidi. Chareda labu lichibuya ti lisibuya nga huku. Lada ukati la to dzepa yo lisibuya nga chorus la buya nga huku fades asiya chorus out aposa huku ro va ti achitova fades la ulacha chikubuya aba kubuya nga chorus achiri chorus aba kubuya nga flow nga verse manyana man
evan group ya Rukidi na Ntone
arikomori ndi group ya permanent kana yarimbo ruti
evan sezenius distant sezenius
nazora chipedza ra mini rawana khomba ine yakubeka ila track isakutapanyedzaho
wana ya seria
rawana seria flow hala treke nga yellow bone kone ku treke nga yellow bone engadina
mara nakana group azifethu man
niko mulanela ya flow na cash flow
bani mombili
they had track mara ila treke we diana lengwe te we diana elinoni blackless
yebo treke
I don't think they dropped it, but I
track ya mizo
nendinayo I think nazo ndikadivana nayo somewhere
blending.
Yeah, it's a nice dope track.
Okay. Why singova mara?
Chivo mudipambana. Nyama do simafunga vo flow na.
Already mean.
Adizo idea mini mara flow vachipedza chivo flora.
Flows no okay into yapi yangere.
Hey, nafunga flow to generate ndi ready waka kalini.
Ukangere zini.
Usainiwa ngere.
Yeah, nanga usainiwa ngere zini. Usainiwa.
Uri ngere ukasaina baimbi.
Hey.
Niwongo yaone na ini.
No sainiwa kala gay.
Doko fara una.
No sainiwa.
Not saini mutu to shuma na mutu.
Bar shishi. Mara tonto mbudza vo mara uri ni vani go feel hani. Okay, I know there's a lot that happens in South Africa. Besides Dubai.
Yeah.
There is a lot that happens. Naka music on nakololo jina ka over jita. Utamba ngowe. Unazingi zino zaitea zino za wori. Zingwa watu masoko randi Illuminati and mini. There's a lot of things that happens in the dark.
Mafumanya kuitea.
Ngone wana mtu wako shoot a show. Wachi kumpa 4,000 akushow ya itamba luraru kamwezi kana na kamwezi.
Yeah.
Mara nako afford ngwendu cool sente. I'm smagadzo mo. Kana kwetea mimi. Nokwetea. Unazingi zino zaitea in this industry zine.
Yeah, man. A lot is happening.
That's why chona bunja bembe wako depressed. Kana vako face na challenges ngochimwe chimwana chi refuse zimwe zwithu. Ni wana uri hala vana vana vori va in charge ka industry. Vane va vori ndivone vono decide uri ko lida nyi radio ni kwetea mini pangani.
Payola.
Nganda payola. Vane va vori ndivone vane va vana influence. Vane va control la batho bono tange. Di compiler za radio. Vane va vori dzipfanga avo ngori ndivone vo va farao. Nichi hana uno rimbura no chalira acheta mina. Hey, unazingi zino za tech industry mara ela video ya Dubai. But wachikwamba ngati muivona. Because it's nothing new.
Nema ndo tsakupona something mara ndione lantu.
Nendo atikungoivura because it's nothing new. Pota Dubai.
Nokanisa tanza.
Emuna asizithu ziswa mamuna. Ndizithu zine we have seen it before. Kazi video za dingwanepa. Rona zizibona video nje ko itezo zithu. Utobori now
Dubai asimahara.
Emuna hava zana ku fly bakoya ninge bakubukeliwa bachiya ninge. They're dealing with a lot of things and enough. South Africa is good detail. No one is talking about it. Every country has the same thing that happening. I think in Dubai. When the private parties in the
private party. Hey, non that this and going to private party. Oh, okay. Me deepo ya chizumbeni.
Yeah, unozuzinji zikofana no you bari nyula Israel. Je Israel chikusumesa uri vafunzi vachizvino ari jia kamusi river venda vachibva venda kutoka Joburg apa noni vakuita conference somewhere ari lokishini vanenge vo Israel vo Soweto vachizoita vachivuyerera kune vakudzurawo nedzisabhabhuni nepa kana dzihoderani vakudhibhukira vana vatu vakubhukira vasidzana vakustripiwa kujaivhiwa kunwa maharo amini kodhaya zori vamwe vakonirengesera cooking oil anointing oil amix cooking oil na oil ya gorowi yoshumaho vamwe vakonitera madhi ya munamboni kana madhi ya paipini ashora sugiri na mulo nyana ritereriwa
elantu itwa mini ara nerenga anointing oil nsikana ino kana share pasi
ndidziwa kuti vaita mini
uitwa mini
anointing abati dora kana vaimixa na mafura vadora vachitamba
simozo ningo pali
okay arite so ningo peja ningo mpanjane mama's boy
ningo pali manodora ntu asiyounwa
mara ngobona mama's boy kwamlora niye kerekeni yorwana na anointing oil vari budzora
mama's boy kerekeni ya uri azio ti uri ha profit wi
rocha dzunguru wenge
Rocha mdzunguru.
hey wo ndobona kuphamula mabaloni kerekeni yawo wamudzana udana baloni olifara nalibeya pa mungwe kana tangalanga munga marahoni alibeya takosudira kereke dzikote ya mini mama's boy rikombera pfesese zori nani kuita mini nga mabaloni uri vona kunanga mfumakadzi pala nga kodolelana no hamulelana
Asi baby shower.
Baby shower le phamula na waphala habila thiko mfarati nela ngwe ko lesa phamu yeli be nga phandle amkokodzeri lasike ya David disukori
Yari doginyana twi.
Vanhu takanazo yebe
isirere ukwambori vafunzi aba
Ukwambori.
fake
odalesa zva zvino munje vafunzi na chimana na mini akusumbedzisa arina akaomba na zvimwe zva video chifuna hey una muthu ane otwa video kana vokuita mini yanengena vasidzana ngela video ichipunda afi auna muthu na muthi oita tonga muthu kotovoliwa ndisvo zvotoitiwa rotozvistage all those things ukwambiwa ri yala muna kusumbedza ri rotozviite zvithu that's why naola munhu olani wabhugula wamuvenda wosumbedza ri hey ene ojone zvithu
man
munhu ola munhu ndichendorindela kereke yawe
ndombona kha imwe show ndemba kha chimini moja love
ndorindela kereke yawe uri ndivone ola munhu arali
ama bishop
the way ine amba ngayo ti that guy kereke yawe ri chidiva the way sumbedza kereke yo duma ngayo
ana kereke kamuntu
no uri vana kereke so the way
lona wari oyabo Nigeria gaga mini
yeah and then mumwe ava kwambori ari munhu ari mudivi obalelwa qualify kana ngamini muna mumwe udo poster ka Facebook kusumbedza ro munhu hangoita izvi zvithu o rejectiwa because of this he was not strong enough wara zvina kongwara zvone ndi zvitori zvine otozvipfanga vathu vane voita izvo zvithu ngori ndi mungana na vafunzi
it's hearsay
yeah ene ukozvita uri aite tshelede nga bhuku ila but it was so nanzi mani chisi ndava ndozviyambo from day one ndari ine ndikongovona kereke ine ndikodza kereke yawo ndiivone heyo ine akwambori ngori arava akuita kereke obvious una dzivideo ende usumbedza uri hoba hawo ndi kerekeni hey what mara we need to see kereke yawe karilize dzivideo dza kereke yawe rivona uri kerekeni yawe chidza tosvika gai achiita dzimiracle dzipio
no mara uri dzote zoba zvimukokotera
mara tivachiita vavona dzivideo kerekeni
asingobvisa mara video
kadheri dzivona ne ndo believe nga kuti munhu amona kuzviita akuda dzimiracle dzakwamba dzone ngori ne I feel uri riko gemiswa mupapa wawo apa petu dzikotovuya mara beside that ne ndobona nantu uri kabalvilla ndomubona ko akudhina pala
ko did the thing
utomvura ndofa dzikomba dziku majita embereri ti aimberero chida guzba tifesori watofunesa guzba
KO.
Big up to KO, Cabal Villa, man. Our sponsor,
shout out to
Cabal Villa, and Elo, aka Speaker, aka Speakerere,
aka the plug,
aka the Black,
shout out to Cabal Villa,
aka Man Switch, aka
he did the thing, man.
Whatever.
Speaker Elo ambare uchane ngigigine tukwamiwa ene ukudza vo rezini kodza vonyi aitikwamiwe gigi ikatoba itodara aitifarano fariwa bakadizo the Cabal Villa so you know mtongo chuwa Cabal Villa ukotodara thanga idowa nowa odara longa
ichiwane wendisati kuda
odara
hey Cabal Villa we coming soon.
You know how we do
we doing it right there. What wrong with us? What is our Cabal Villa receive? But we coming soon. We coming home. We're gonna be chilling at Cabal Villa. We do it like this, man, nigga.
Yeah.
You know how we do it. Cabal Villa, man. Keep doing what you're doing, man. Hello.
Speaker. Chipikara.
And KO.
Rikopulaka chipikara chamba.
Hello, hours. Shout out, man.
Yeah, shout out.
Man, you're doing big.
Man.
We see you, man. Shout out to Cabal Villa as well. You guys are doing the most, man. At Kurzero Huna Brege Venda Ine is doing the most more than you guys.
Yeah, I seen unto Mizo Ruko host CJ and the mobile strippers.
Oh, Ange Marshall Nation.
Marshall
Yeah.
I forgot the date,
Shout
but
out,
it's
man.
somewhere towards the end of May.
Yeah.
30th, I think it's the 30th of May.
Yeah.
And
CJ never on it. Just go away.
CJ udana havala.
CJ.
CJ udana lava sidana vane
Uko ngwamba re.
arari SASSA yabe yanuyono jena lelo
Uko
Dubai.
ngwamba
Ya fela.
So se ko to tuwa.
So se kutu.
Ndira nechipanga chibikini.
Tabanga 5
Coin.
ito jina sione. Ya suba 5 randa.
ya Cuba.
Yeah, man. So we're looking out for Misophilia hosting CJ and the strip mobile strip club.
Mobile school somebody about to buy one on one.
Yeah,
one club repays.
No.
They can go to everywhere.
But
Anywhere they want to go, man. Shout out to Misophilia. Shout out to
I've seen them twerking on videos. I'm hoping.
Hey, 1 million views. Blondies.
I'm looking at you two guys can go and watch them and come back and tell me.
Dorumera maroto adoya aribudza maroto Alexander adoya aribudza zori wochimbira meni
ine usmidzo Alexander darambe bazo
andi kuti wambore adoribudza zori wotangana meni nani ngai
yeah
shout out man kuni mona zonto zine kuita zwa serious. You are doing the most, man. Show venda zitiwe show venda
yeah man.
Oh, there is what
and I saw rina mangenge kwambori baimbi uko bukiwa bati.
Oh yeah, Mangenge, yeah. I saw it.
But one thing which uri, if you're not popping and you're not gonna bring me fans, why will I book you? If never me
about money at the end of the day.
If never me batanu, when I go this as the fan, Univenia babuka, Tavania babuka, Mashala babuka, Mamvuka babuki, one Jere babuki, one batanu. It's because everybody knows Uri, but she died. They're gonna bring fans and then we're gonna make money. Ziko difana nazo ezwipa urina ngaona ngochimbira kana kwa KZN kana kwa guy ndo duwanori una vaimbi unodiveya that's the line up njapa ni duwanori LadyDu one
ungona focalistic uhon
nendo ngori
KO uhon Questa uhon
unabatu zori
because awo bathu
Big Zulu one na mini so it's about uri giginia no ido attract abantu na mini because what's the use yori ndo domba dzina la mwe rapper
ribidze nyisa divei
ano diveya mara hana impact ngobona okay una perina ngona uri khamsuko rwama ngoma ditu ke boom boom bam bam boom ndingasiri ndiko jaremzi adajina mukati wanokuda maboom boom udo fader in between because people want boom boom boom
man, the reason why venda ningasibhuke out yaKwaZulu Natal ine idivei venda yada the reason why muthu wa venda anodibe venda sangabhukiwi KZN aya perform because hadibei angabizi crowd
mara the different theory hangabizi crowd kwa mvenda namsi ayai asibize crowd a performer hange the factory vakopfarwa mva kodipeliwa vadochina mara wa mzulu achida venda asadivei ridosokomsedza ngori mini riakona understand zvino yakuimba zvone erasori who the heck
so it's all about him arikwana there are guys bebe vachibukiwa vorazike vachibukiwa ngamandesa mo vorazike vachibukiwa blind mara after they were no longer releasing music which attract people vachabukiwa it's all about uri
relevancy
be relevant keep releasing stuff so artist him it's all about being relevant it's about relevant ne ezyakonda arikwana him we have artists ziko image zvino zobukiwa arantu asingobvisa thing asingobvisa mini changurube adobukiwa
that boy over
asingabhukiwi mara kala kuimba ngwana asingabhukiwi
mama sibona unatheneza kuimba mara
ngwana
akuimba zvone vanhu vakustoda
ngwana mara obviously rimbo rahita kanota mini nakonobhukiwa mama's boy ngwana it's all about being relevant and mapungana bathu bane bateo
and the fan needs to relate to you
yes they need to relate man.
You can't be telling me about uri girlfriend yoni dampa girlfriend nchina for the next 5 years
you think ngombo
vatoni vengana ini
nzango dzampiwa
so the issue ndiori you need to give us something different give us something we don't have
depending something chine na mamba na
I'll tell you something I don't rap I can't rap I can't sing.
Yeah.
I can't do shit in music. Mara, I can drop a work song
Yes.
that can play on TV.
Because that song is unique.
Simple. I can go there like,
Simple.
Kina oh hey, Tanumara Afomamfana.
Because you are being true to yourself.
I'm gonna tell you something about gospel. High school kids relate to gospel.
Yeah.
Look at Root Kid. High school kids relate to Root Kid.
Yeah.
Randa.
Randa.
High school kids
Yeah.
in primary, they relate to him. Come on.
Tiago SA.
They relate. So you can drop all the music. Are you doing music that one hour later? That's what you mean. Mwana mtuku abya relate ka ulimulwanzo koma ngona rina 4 or 5 years. Ti. Nana wana ulimulwanzo ko imbwa badani ngabana batuko. What you need to know is already imboro ami is going to be a hit.
Yes. Ngari ngochimana badana fa bana soko Rwani ndo badela. Ngusipandi baba, ndipo dokotela. Ndi hit.
Ne? Which means people can relate.
Yeah.
People are relating. The moment your song can relate. I'll tell you something. Mama's Boy had a hit song. They got the hit the Kwambori. It was gonna be a hit if he had listened. The track line Ango fan. But that track line no hold on the whole issue. That song was gonna be a hit.
Yeah,
It was never marketed. It was never done. We were supposed to have shot a music video long time ago. The song, it's a party song.
Yeah.
Mara, I decided we shelf. Come on. Okay. Netwazi or dropper, which car? People are only paying attention to Netwazi now. Batu, atifi Netwazi, number na ivona kanyimbo za Netwazi, siya we. Come on. Only people are paying attention on Obaka TV. Now everybody's jumping in. Okay. Kadende mutambele Qatar, baby. People will be like, where's Mengale? But when the song plays, they're like, hey. This is this song.
This is the hit.
Come on. People relate to the song. But if you drop a song that people don't relate, it does not become a hit. It become a normal song.
Mama's Boy or Congo re-release that song. Ndilayanga. Mwezi wopera ndo reason. Mama's Boy or Congo re-release because of most of people bakwamanga yuri. Why let's take inside 1 to 3.
Ari visa food.
Let's shoot a
Mara, not making a show about you. Mama's Boy and
Mara, we're gonna shoot a music. Mara, we're gonna work on that song.
Venda. Right
now, Rena Syria, we're gonna exclude my cards, ne?
Yeah.
Na Namkos. Rena Syria, Rena Guzba, Rena Root Kid.
Yeah.
Rena Sagngurube.
Yeah. Rena Devins.
Rena
Devins Waranda. Yeah. Rena I think in a moment when the mufanya no forget the track of feature Romeo. Ditonu, I think nine
Ukouda,
yeah.
But it's been there.
Yeah.
It's just like I think now is this time. What I'm saying, Diori, you are finding this artist being booked everywhere.
Yes.
Reason being, they are
pushed an extra mile.
Fans are relating.
Yes.
They wanna watch them. Wanna vanga fast. Arana wimbo ne wanna watch kora boro vanga fast rako don't want to perform.
Yeah.
Enda they manyana man. Hey.
True man. You won't get booked unless you're doing music that people love.
Yeah.
Hemon, auna promoter ine irodera upromoter batu baswa bena badibei. Chende wuyi.
Ndongo sima marebo.
Chende wuyi.
Ako ni marketa. Wuri.
Chende
you are unmarketable.
Money, you won't get your money back.
Marebo ziwa of there and you come market.
This you come market and you book we. Hemon,
look at Chiziwizi.
Yes. Chiziwizi now is getting booked.
That nigga dropped this.
He's getting booked, man. For the record, we were the first to give him an exclusive. Rumba exclusive, Yanepa. Chiziwizi is getting booked now.
Come on.
We gave him an exclusive.
On this
channel.
We spoke about it already. We don't have a beef with Metro. We don't have a beef with anyone.
No.
But We gave him a platform.
Yeah.
And Naye, he pushed himself.
Yes.
Mareba pushed him.
That's what we do in this
Everybody
platform. That's what we
wanted
do
to
in this
know
platform.
who's the guy singing
Yes.
Baba. For me.
Kosi ya umrepanding.
Kosi ya umrepanding.
Akoimba God, fake God.
Now I was watching some of the videos. People are singing along
Yes.
these songs, but they were writing negative on
You see?
Facebook.
You see?
Reality, they're singing.
Yes. Hemuna,
It's like,
are you guys surprised that Chizuwiz is getting booked? No, because he pushed. He went an extra mile. Mwana. Kezo.
people used to
That's
make
what
fun
it's
of
about.
him. He dropped songs that didn't get booked.
Kezo zun obuki. Hongwana.
Now he's getting booked.
It's getting booked.
People are relating to these songs, which means Metro might drop a diss song, dissing him for the
Yeah.
diss that make the diss, because the diss has to diss on the other diss.
Na wana metro kwambor kasho ya Invene.
It's not gonna be there. I guess
What do you mean?
they didn't pay him. We
Neighbor na
know.
poster neighbor
We
una
know.
poster teach, una makadzi, una batondi, una lebmepe, una there's so many
I'm gonna
people
tell
there.
you something. Do you know Lebmebe can get a higher reaction to the fans than Costa Tish?
Yes.
Because right now, if you look at this year, Costa Tish doesn't have any impact.
No,
That's what we're talking about.
it doesn't.
It doesn't have an impact. And then Venda to cruel, man. I'll tell you. You know, they will start calling lab map.
Waitu wangoe wa gwakwa.
Gwakwa. Mkua. Are guzba.
Kuiwana pa. Loli. As Loli. Oh, Musa Keys. Musa Keys.
Yo, Lolo go shoot her. I think today or you was shooting yesterday.
Yeah.
And we've been invited to the launch of his album. I just need to confirm with him.
Yeah. I think we should shoot the next episode from there, man.
Grand Loli invited us to his place
Yeah.
to come and shoot. It's just that I haven't planned it,
Yeah.
but
Yo,
I think I need
We
to
have
honor.
so many places to go, man, to shoot.
I
man.
think we need to honor Loli Native for.
We
And
have
people
so
don't
many
know.
places to go to
I'm one of
shoot.
the first people to interview Loli
Yeah.
when he won the Sprite and Containable.
Yeah.
Actually, I was the first before
Zwakale.
the TV. Zwakale.
Zwakale, yes.
Yeah. So
Bana ba David Loli
Osainwanga
MT
MT Records.
Yeah.
So MT still needs to come and eat avocados and gash.
Mara,
Mara, yeah, we invited to the launch, Evangeli. So I just need to check with Loli to find out everything
be there, we should
because
be
we need. Besides that, we need to shoot, like not during the listening session. Mara, we need to have a day in it where we're gonna chill with Loli and MT and the rest, just to talk and you have fun, you know. So it's either we invite them to our beautiful big yard here.
If you want to do photo shoots, music videos, hit me up, man. Hit me up. Yeah, man, we'll accommodate you here, man.
Yeah.
But I need off end on kwamba ni kwambore but bako sounda but banyengo sounda sabatu bono dumao.
Okay, it's a huge issue. I was listening to this guy on Ofi, Zulu Rap God.
Okay, Tim Dave.
That guy, no, he posted on Rashid's post.
Yeah.
And then Rashid was talking about it. I'm like, oh, let me check out my nigga Rashid, what he's talking about.
Yeah.
Then when I finish, I'm seeing this guy. I'm like, let me listen to him. Maybe I might put it on Venrap Radio. Happy birthday, Venrap Radio today. We are
Happy
turning
birthday!
9 years.
9 years! What the hell, dude? With 2 awards
9 years.
on
So-
the name of Venrap Radio!
Starbucks,
man. Nice, man.
Starbucks,
Nice,
man.
man.
Hey,
Who is behind
Nice, man.
Starbucks
Nice,
must
man.
make sure we can open the app because
We are opening,
we want to
man.
bring some crazy stuff even on
Yo,
Twitter.
and we've been talking about. So okay. Let me make this
Mara,
announcement.
let me
Okay,
make an
okay,
announcement.
Yeah.
So that guy, dude, I was listening to him. Mara, I felt like I was listening to KO
Yeah.
or Reason.
Bako fun.
He chopped both flows. He's talking about how gangster he is.
Yeah.
He got these chicks,
Yeah.
girls all over him. Mara, dude, don't rap about things that you know. You can't rap about clubs. when you know you are 14, you can't even go to the club. You are 16, 17, or you are 18.
You are young.
There's no club, there's a tavern where you are. Talk about the reality. We know how to fake it until you make it. Mara, if you're faking it, make it look real. So shoot a music video, you come on a club, and the next thing, you're chilling at the corner.
Yeah.
Make things look real.
Show us the gun. And then you get.
No for a mukope.
No for a mukope. Mara, I think this, we have been saying we have been saying this for the longest time. I think we are so close to make that thing happen.
We are
so close.
There's big things, guys. Because you know why we people don't understand why we vented to Starbuck.
Yeah.
The reason I wanted the Starbuck on board is because Starbuck can tap into Twitter space, and then whatever we do on the radio plays it live on Twitter space.
And delay as a delay or remaining, we are still the presenters are serious. That's why we could delay no delay.
And we want to
serious.
You need to
yeah.
System you could pick up.
Mara, don't get into details. Mara, the delay.
We're working on the bigger stuff.
We are working on the
let's
biggest
be honest.
things.
Let's just be honest, guys. They broke into our studio and they stole our stuff.
But we are back now. We are back. We are back.
If you can see the connection we have here.
We are back.
Connection with you now. Gail stand up behind the scene.
Gail must. You know what? The producer is gonna sit behind and you're gonna take a picture.
Yeah.
And people will see you.
What
the heck are these guys doing?
The radio equal with them, and I think I wrote it this year, ne?
No, it's
we do this music now, equator. We do this, it's a system you pay around. You tested the system, the system is working. We are about to hit Venda, and
what we're finishing up, I'm looking into featuring different artists.
Yeah.
Trying to put artists on the platform, which means I'm gonna have someone.
There's a lot coming up, man.
One doing the verse.
Yeah.
All the crazy stuff, but when you work with me, there's one thing you don't understand. I can't rap.
Yeah.
And but also, you better rap better than me.
And also, song,
this podcast,
talk podcast, whoever thinks you can rap. No, let's see. Send us some verses. Just comment. Video.
Drop your
I can rap. Then
hashtag I can rap.
Hashtag I can rap. Then don't send it party tunyana. No send it verse. If you are lucky, man, you can be on the
theme
original song of the Street Talk podcast. That's what we're doing. Mara, this year next year, dude.
No,
we
this
are going
year
to
after
be,
June. We're gonna cause a lot of havoc.
Dude, it's
imagine
happening.
getting booked without even performing. We're standing there and people are performing. We're like,
we are going to do a lot of things.
Yeah, there's a lot of things.
The system is done. We have tested it. Guys, everything that we're going to be doing now is going to be for free. As long as you have data, you're going to be able to participate in everything that we're doing.
But don't be like Dr.
Zing.
Dr. Zak.
Ziki.
Dr.
Ziggy.
Ziki. Mara, she's not even a doctor. Yeah, she just like to call herself doctor. You are so ordinary and stuff on Twitter. Hey, man, I'm not vendor red daman. I'm with the Orosi. I'm with the Kumvubu. I'm with the Ketensi.
Don't go trend the venda, mean.
Hey, I'm red daman. Yo! One thing, the problem, the about you. Undermine Shaka based on Ori when it comes to a guy. Maraba Hangori, Rote. Now, when I was known as Dr. Zigitiago with a vendori, they are ordinary. How do you target a shoe? Docombori. Hey, you don't want to miss Miss South Africa, and I'm South Africa. ungari patsinari ne utoba ordinary muvenda what
Muvenda ita means how do
una watu vane vasoko filori they want comments or something kobona but vahangori rorari like we can go to any event get free alcohol get free food without even being famous. We don't even need numbers on social media.
No,
we have a long-ass track record. Like if they say track record, we have a track record that we can go to any gig and get what she gets. Come on. So people think Uri because now, I think because she got a huge following. I don't even know what she's famous for.
Okay.
But I think maybe because she got a huge following, now she's better than everyone.
Influencer. Come on.
There's one problem people forget. Having huge numbers doesn't make you an influencer.
Yeah.
Having an influence on people, when you say or do something, that's when you are an influencer. A person that can have 300 people, but have a huge influence on people than you with 300,000.
Yeah.
So people might follow you maybe using follow train, or you follow people and you unfollow them. Then you look like you have huge followers.
Yes, huge followers.
And then you can go and buy followers.
Go followers. Yeah.
Come on. There's different way people get followers and now they think like they are all that. But never disrespect other people.
Don't, man. Don't.
Man, we all live in this world. It doesn't matter which tribe you come from.
What about
come on.
Intelligence never apple.
Hey.
Emuna.
Toy repo.
Toy never apple. Venda.
Adiburi. Toy no vaka to. You don't toy even toy and do.
There's a lot, man. There's a lot, man. But before Chivara, I'm going to do.
Mapungwa. Urikambori ene ana adibi.
But before also. Ita minyanga into.
Perform a cotton fest muzimadia. Akwarepa. Para kuti budu ha to pata. But why you must say who the hell are you?
Why, Mara? Why?
I think sometimes, but we're performing a backing track, ne? What is that?
Yeah.
And you're rapping over it, then you sound different from the song. And people look at you like, are you really the person we paid for?
Yeah.
Come on. People can do semi-life, some people can do this. It's a struggle. Come on. Mostly when the song is mastered this way and you...
Yeah. In way and
some people don't know how to interact with fans.
Yeah.
I'm not saying she doesn't know.
Yeah.
But I think I want to cotton first, ne? Nah. People were looking at her like...
Nani didn't enjoy it, ne?
I was like, eh?
Eh? You was like what?
Eh?
What do I mean?
What did I mean? I gave video. Yeah, man.
Corona, big nothing.
Because,
man.
See ya.
Mama Sekaya. Mama
Sekaya. Mama Sekaya.
Mama Sekaya.
We are Halela or Funan.
Because I mean,
I love you, man. See ya. My man, bro. Okwambori, because I was supposed to perform and she came late and then she wanted to take the same thing that happened with AKA when Makadzi was performing. They had to cut Makadzi short.
Yeah, so because AKA was there.
And then he came in and he performed rubbish because he just made noise. I think his team was disorganized. That make him sound so bad. Go on. I know people get angry because they think because he got money we can't say it. But last Royal Garden, that guy performed rubbish.
Yeah, it was on.
That thing sounded bad. So yeah, man. So, but I miss Royal Garden. You know what?
I think this year is the one.
A lot of guys are just saying they're quitting music. I saw even this other chick, Koli, XOLI.
Colin Fega.
No, the name was written Koli something.
Okay.
I think because
Koli M.
I think because of
she's good.
Because of this Muda of BlackMotion, Wara, Mujolo Wanyisa.
Yeah.
She gonna be quitting music and stuff. Yeah. So because I was saying LadyDu, I can just space chawe, I got to perform this and that, and then she was rude. And then I got remember, hey, somebody make Big Closer famous. because looks like you want to be famous. Okay, hold it right there. That guy is already famous. He got his fame through Twitter. He done his game, he done his part.
True.
They know him, he's famous.
Mara LadyDu ni mulwane man. Kato dzula pasi ipo man.
So even if
bora mulwane kusokora ine ambara kupepezana.
she was attacking, yeah, she was attacking him, which I think
azumita lichadade.
Zuyamitera
mara
okay, I don't go zungori ni abana ngado bona. But one thing ndiori anga wanna remember team yawe. Yeah, I could just space a big causa and big causa actually respond to base according you wanted to take my space, my slot. Because people don't know no was from 99, which sometimes Namakadua struggler, I know because she booked when she gets there late.
Yeah.
So yeah, there was that drama, and then LadyDu wanted Twitter to jump in and drag Big Causa.
Yeah.
But you know Big Causa, man. Big Causa is that guy.
Big Causa goli shangori ako wana share deka nandi mini kamuzika.
Do you know Big Causa when? Maybe Big Causa is going. And that
although
other
we
guy,
are sauce
is coming.
SOS.
Sauce is coming.
The gimmick, the mini.
Yeah, but Oruko we are na big afro.
Them day body.
Hey, at him busy. Remember all that visa video Oruko quit music ako lugisa to growing busy. Next thing
Mazani music video. Jabo.
Music video
and we know industry.
There's
a lot of music what is garbage car radio, TV, social media go push you up. And we have to listen to that, not because it's good, but because it's in your face.
Yeah.
Because it's one of those guys when they can drop that music just for people.
Yeah.
And then SOS comes and drop music you can listen to.
Yeah. Because he raps.
Yeah, he gives you the real music and he gives you the gimmick.
Yeah.
And then because Naya is a gimmick, as a Big Causa, most artists they get worried. Because if Big Causa switch to my piano, that guy can still marry a lot of people.
Yeah.
That guy can do things.
True.
So there's a lot of people that have issues with him, which are unnecessary. Because he's Big Causa and he will diss you. And they come back smiling as SOS. Like, if you have watched those cartoon, that video of MD Yazin.
Oh yeah,
I see him
as cartoon. Sketch. MD.
See him.
It's in your Makos. Abiambara. MD sketches, man.
Yeah.
One of the best
MD sketches
on
are
YouTube,
crazy,
man.
I think what happened was
go to YouTube
when I come across
MD,
it was because of
MDM. It's MDM.
Yeah.
MDM sketches.
There was, I don't know what really happened.
Yeah.
But it was one of the videos I was doing, and then it had same tags, YouTube tags. So it pulled that video, one of them.
Yeah.
So I think he was still doing this thing. Even before he said, I remember when he said, I want to do series.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
Good, man.
Series or internet series or whatever you call them.
Yeah.
I've watched that guy for the longest time. When he was still in about 5 episodes.
Yeah.
I was watching him.
Yeah.
Then he talked about, no, I want to do the series now. I'm like, okay, I'm waiting. Said I'm ready. Then he bring this thing. And he been doing DVDs.
Yes. And the car,
long time. So
he has his whole family there.
I like his mom's food. The mother's food tech. That one.
Yo, that guy's good. That guy's good, man. That guy is too much.
Yeah, man, he's
watch
great.
out for it's MDM sketches. Yeah, sketch.
Yeah.
MDM sketch.
And then he doesn't fake his expression.
No.
If he's acting
Dlamini.
Now he's doing Dlamini.
Man.
Dlamini went home.
They're going to come back with another one.
No,
Dlamini went home.
And then now they call him. I like the walk. This is a guy I met. Ngomona very cross. That's cool. That's cool. Chief cross. Cross. Show dura bad. Chief mean. Cross. That's cool.
Curo, xikolo, Curo, yeah.
English.
Oh,
There was a guy I met.
Ni ku ri ku hamba mataputapa adzindhawu adzingwena anofi crop
I met this guy. I was working like that.
Curo,
Yeah. So I was on my tap walani. Narizvijeni.
Curo.
Yeah.
Ni ku ri ku hamba masandazi ala dzintu adzi crocodile. Curo, ufi crate.
Ay muna. Tizo ndikwambora ela ndikurenga kick out. Oh chimla flag cure fa. Ena sikoni ku chimona. Fasa pa una cure apa. Watho kujina zwabudi. Yathi ko chimbe itonga mahe umamuna. Wala wa MDM sketches ola.
Mahe blind.
Ina woko yote.
Hemuna venda now we had so many people who do stuff man.
Las
Venda's comics.
On dia flash dia goosebump.
Or mini goosebump mama's boy.
Goosebump. Listen no chandi bofo. Amarimani fare mosh.
Mara goosebump tsota furani. Mara goosebump abarabe. Goosebump tsota furani. Zori ukugumwe ukugumwe mini kholo. Worino udzota furani. Bakufana abambete.
Hey king you, that ni perform my king you don't ngara muyaka ya.
Baba mashallah. Mara tina transi. Uber.
Shout out to Las Vendas. Dobi zofinyi. Stacha venda adana.
Ana mangwadu. Mara, you need to
Shout
look
out,
it up.
man.
You
Shout
know
out
what
to
the
you
funny
too.
part is like? Now I've done it all, man. Cartoons, what?
Cartoon, man.
And I've done it when the time that it was difficult to even create cartoon stuff.
Tiyazi cartoons ndiye shaka.
Shakandi.
Yenda.
Oh, the way
I don't know.
Oh, what's that? Ay, Shakandi kungwepu ma. Pamela kula kwepu ngore.
Oh, kwa shaka. Oh.
Baba.
Kana aitwa giraffe. Aitwa giraffe. Baba unafinyi mikando comedy. Ya Rashias na Razike. Yo, those guys were good, man.
No wonder Razike.
Abana fimini. Batari, do you know Batari? Yo, Batari
Mara,
was good.
uri Razike ni comedian.
Batari
Nisbona Razike.
No, Batari.
Zori Razike.
Batari wa bulai.
Zori Razike ni comedian. Nisbona chimba.
Yeah.
What about you?
Una face.
Bona. Rita tangana.
But Razike can comedy bulai ni man. Yo, man. It's good, man.
The stop mama. Nabendo shows.
That guy must be an actor.
That guy is good. No, he's an actor. He's good. Other thing, Rashias na Rashias. They're good, man. Mikando films, comedy.
I don't know, like that's what
Arifane mukos.
Askara ziontu. Wa fortunator.
Arifane mukos.
Askara za fortunator.
What do you mean?
Kamjanga kizdi.
Komba askara za fortunator.
Ndo. Syria.
Anungo last time ufi ko jona.
Obato phana. Hey.
Banokana.
Ufi unomva. Ureba ko phana. Bakotokana. Mara imaginani jiri. Nofara yolo body njiri khwa.
Ziyakupuwe zilantu njengokuba ngubo.
Naona uri mtundu
Ndimudala.
Njengokuba
afaro bukati afa.
njengokuba ngubo.
Black.
Black beauty yellow bone.
Mara la China Syria man.
Sir kwachina bari.
Ale perform man.
Ali perform le ditu man.
Hola mtu wa perform la jiri. Nula rimbo novi. Ndo twanga December ndichifupa ndito vu. Wari mini wezokodora. Ai, ndito kodo. Unalo fi kodo.
Ndio rufuna za
Apo pati. Ningatobona ngari na zvino disa hela mchini la bambisa la wori bump. Popati.
Niko kodo serious.
Ndiye teke adumesa ngayo haine yo.
Kikodo.
Oh, okay.
Abeneno. Nikani ranga mulenje der. On the fungar butu.
Abana meni ya wapo zi.
AI.
Combination
is serious. It's serious combination. Abafana zabukuma.
Dangerous combination.
But batebela serious.
DCC. Dangerous combination crew.
Before Tshivenda. Emnyanga mbameni. Arame mapungo peza.
Nora ngaro 1000 zori Zahara.
Hey,
Zahara.
Ari jeneka lo Zahara.
Otsora dzia wadi mara wakhamba ndaba yorina zvinonga 7 za May ndiya wenga auctioniwa. I'm going to go back to that thing. People didn't understand bari ndiya venga makadzi. But I'm fighting uri a songonga most of the artists. Zwine nda amba ndi khamba because I know the industry. She found me in the industry. I retired when she entered. Mar I've been there. So ndiko lelo abe stable abe na mini zota pushe because I know. Everybody knows Zahara ojina game in aita utoro. She was big, she was on billboards, she was going overseas. She was doing netback adverts. Mara zoniko buzofi ndewe ko do auctioniwa. Na lingwe hana chelede na mini. You need to ask yourself for it. What's going on? What happened with the management? Nandi kwa mbori makazi ngana mbaba na acho ngono fima ads. Makazi ngona aba na acho ngono fima kazi ti. Hela acho ngara idorengisa ngoro watoto feko different.
Yeah.
Just because you ngono fima kazi.
It's something that she owns.
Ichiko fana cha yarufu uno.
Ningas do from different fana la ngori ndiye makazi. Lezo ti fima Mavoda. Ndingo rekodora namse a glazer rina shila ka bucket are ngono fima Mavoda. I don't pengisa ufira Vaseline glazer rina la ngori ndi makazi. So she needs to I needed to do things like this and this because I know the industry. I understand the industry. I'll never lie about the industry. That's why I'm by Imbiba. I'm independent than. She never signed a record label. I'm just to side in his nose of the Jamachero. But if that's what Zirwango now one and the word in me. You want an artist in our you believe during.
Zahara was once a big artist.
I said, there's a lot of artists in Sazana Musi.
Yeah.
They've fallen from grace.
Who guy Nati Mankai?
Eh?
Nati. Yo, yeah, Nati.
Nati achivada achibuza uri aringosana contract hate university atuwasign a big company abaka get rough or Mataland. Things didn't go well because sometimes you don't understand something. Rather than when you are independent, than you sign one at the Sony. Ngoro ni chiafala ni wako ni fa manager anayori understand the gospel nyimba mapiano odoni market sana sa divin nix nganga mapiano akunisa offer a gospel mara there they just put you there sometimes ba oni sign ori ba block uri artists that would song over a competition so there's a lot of things that happens mara richamba ngazwe the promoter na bangwane fa venda fa go release yeah a lot of things happened before
mara I think about good them and good them and
no good them amuna
but good them amuna I think they are going to do more and don't worry music industry everyone want to be famous but being famous come with the cost you already was signing when na panis na pay
you need to have a cost to pay you need to have the cost to do business don't just be an artist oimba be an artist that can produce write one of the compose do this, do that, urini own. What's the use yori? Ni jine studio, cha outi, ni chi recorder. Remember I'm playing a beat. I don't play a beat already. Una the share I don't want to get into percentages. Uri wa own 50% already karimborwam. I don't just to the chapter to monto to recorder na beat yawe. He owns. I don't just into your chiki cha de ben.
Tira.
Chiki. Already
own. Una percentage.
BT studio ndi chawe. Oda chiki. Already uko owner. Probably more than what you gonna own on your song. Into fazane po no feature mutu. Uko own.
Iko to percentage yanu.
Into panga mini, ola mtu doda panga verse. Uko own. Record label is but everything. They are owning. But people don't want to listen to that. So I'm not going to get into details. You can check out there's a lot of podcasts like the masterclass of Rashid. They'll break it down for you.
They'll break it down for you.
Now I don't want to get into details. Mara, one thing guys, a lot of things are happening in this industry. People are losing because they just sign and lose the rights of their song.
True.
Don't be like your Brenda or Mashatini and the rest, man.
You see, man. It's painful.
Wakombona ngomor mini musni dukan swana ni ngwana ndo mahunguni amara here. Man Gail.
You know how we do it. This is a boy man game man. Songo hangwa competition in Yashisha Honek. How we do this. Do.co.za. Ane uko poster. Ono upload a ruimbo. Rabana the most download of March usuka Juni. Udawana 300 randa. Ane abana most download of June usuka December. Udumpa 500 randa. So details of the was on a screen up on you know how we do it. This is your boy man Gate.
Happy birthday, Venrap Radio!
Iri mini website ya radio.
www.venrapradiostation.co.za. The website is still up there. You can listen to different music.
Yeah.
We have some of the old their songs. You don't even know that they're still there. Yeah, Marabisa, the Dust Dingas broke into our studio and stole our stuff.
Producer on the Mus. Mama's boy, what's your last words?
My last word.
Cashew and the Mus.
Please, people.
Subscribe.
Love us. Support us.
Subscribe, Bani. Ni click, ni like it. We are doing this for you, man. We are doing this for you. Until next episode, we love you guys.
We
love you guys.
Every Tuesday.
I'm matching. Yeah. I'm matching.
We dropping.
We are
Thank you, guys.
This is not Rana misa munanya ndo wana zora. We love you guys.
Follow us on social medias.
Twitter,
Instagram, Facebook,
TikTok.
TikTok. Nema, the main gate.
Don't forget to check out
Mama's boy.
Zwachitangani.co.za. It's our social media.
The next biggest thing.
We are coming.
You know how we do.
Budani Mama's boy for that camera so.
All the details will be on the screens, man.
We are here.
The
Red Cup Gang.
Street Talk Podcast.
Remember that phone, Wafa.